If you want to open a document from OneDrive in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to access your file from OneDrive and open it in Word so you can start editing right away. This is super useful if your documents are stored in the cloud and you want to work from any device without downloading and re-uploading files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to OneDrive Web. Once the page loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that contains the document you want to open. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the correct one so you can find the right file quickly. After you're signed in, look for My Files. This is where all of your saved OneDrive documents are stored. Click My Files to view your folders and files. Now browse through your folders until you find the document you want to open. When you see it, double-click the document. In many cases, the file will open automatically in Word Online, which is Microsoft Word in your browser. If that happens, you're already in the right place and can begin viewing or editing the document immediately. If the document does not open right away, look for an option that says Open in Word or something similar. This will launch the file in Microsoft Word so you can work with the full desktop or online Word experience, depending on your setup. Once the document is open, you can make your changes, save your work, and everything will stay synced back to OneDrive. That means you don't have to worry about losing your edits or manually uploading the file again. One of the biggest benefits of using OneDrive with Word is that your files stay connected, so you can access them from home, work, or even on your phone. And if you ever need to find a document later, just return to OneDrive, open My Files, and double-click it again. So that's how you open a document from OneDrive in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.